Is it time to change your air filter on your Can-Am Defender? Today I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm Kristen, and this is Maintenance Matters. All right, so we're going to go on ahead and lift this bed so that we can gain access to our air box. We're going to go ahead and move the cap from your air filter box. There's 3 clips here that you'll have to loosen up. This is your air filter. Slight tug will remove it. This one's in good shape. You might have one that's foam. You can reuse it. If this was bad, you definitely buy a new one from your dealership. But we're going to take an air hose, set that aside, take a clean rag and wipe the inside of your air box out. Once that's good, you can go ahead and reinstall your air filter. Reinstall your cap. You're good to go.